Kasama tayo.
Kasama daw. That's the first. That's the isang four.
So brother, what can you say about our dice game this year?
It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be exciting. There's a lot of prizes. I hope you win.
Okay, thank you. So Angel Juanito, what can you say about the dice game today?
That's already one.
Gusto.
Tingin mo ba ikaw yung mananalo ng Chongwan?
Ay, hindi ako nasa dyan.
Okay, okay. Chongwan! Okay. Okay. Best friends na kayo, ha?
Best friends na agad.
At si Michelle, what can you say about our dice game today? What? Adrian, what can you say about our dice game today? Plan ng we.
I don't know.
Buat ko sa kanya.
Ay, what's here? What's your tawag?
Yako.
Sama-sama.
因为所以才可以。
Okay, okay. Okay, so Art, what can you say about our dice game today?
Mananalo ako ng Chongguan.
Wow! Talaga dineclare niya, ha? Wow. How about you, Andrew?
Basta may makuha pa okay.
Okay na. How about you, Ats? Ilan lang, we?
你们好.
Wow! Okay.
Well, gusto ko lang makakuha ng mga prizes for the kids.
Okay. How about you, Shoti?
Ready to win random prizes.
Okay. So, Ate Mitzi, what can you say about our dice game today?
I'm so excited and sana manalo ako.
Ilan lang, we?
Joan,
Ilan lang, we?
hello! Ulit! Hello! Hello! Kung ginagawa, Kwak Dong-chu. Wahibang wat yaw the Joan.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, welcome to our UECP dice game. I'm so excited to play with you guys and have a dice game after a long time. And right now, let's start with the word of prayer. Can I ask our resident pastres, Miguela, to open us with the word of prayer?
Okay. Let's pray